In many low-resource schools, wash facilities are present, but they are not always safe, complete, or accessible to every learner. For a girl, managing menstruation, the absence of privacy, water, soap, and a safe changing space can affect her dignity, confidence, and attendance. A learner with a disability may face another barrier, a toilet, pathway, or hand-washing point that cannot be used safely and independently. Untreated water, damaged facilities, and weak hand-washing services increase exposure to diarrhea and other waterborne diseases. Safe water, safe schools is a rehabilitation-first, climate-resilient, inclusive, and gender-responsive wash model for Tanzanian schools. The process begins with a participatory assessment. Students, teachers, school committees, and technical officers identify what exists, what is damaged, and what is missing. Usable infrastructure is repaired or adapted before new construction is considered. Water treatment matches the source, and new facilities are installed only where essential services are absent. Girls and learners with disabilities help shape the facilities. Their participation ensures that menstrual health spaces, pathways, toilets, and hand-washing points respond to real needs. The model also supports behavior change. School wash clubs, local repair links, maintenance planning, and a simple scorecard that helps schools identify faults early. During the 18-month pilot, about 4,500 learners in 6 schools will benefit from safe water, improved sanitation, menstrual health support, accessible facilities, and stronger hygiene practices. The project will also generate practical tools, codes, and evidence that councils and ministries can use to improve other low resources schools. Safe water, safe sanitation, and dignity should be available to every learner.